This is item FA3. It's a fire agate from Aguascalientes, Mexico, or that's the mine in Mexico it's from. It has some, this one is not wanting to show because of the glare on the polish. It's a windowed piece of fire agate. Could definitely be carved. You can see the blue and the pastel colors of red and green down in there, and some of the brighter ones up here. Asking $25. You can see it next to this quarter. Nice size for carving, or really cool just to leave it like it is. 25 bucks. Link is in the description. Also, I'll leave a link in the comments section. And check out the store for all kinds of other great stuff. Got some deals going on, man. Get them while they're hot.